Hi, I'm MB Nirmal, founder, Explora Innovators International. I've been sharing a lot of videos. This video is very exciting, interesting. So I've been seeing people are fighting for basic needs which they don't get. They don't get good drinking water. The air quality is quite inferior. There's a power breakdown very often. The muck and garbage not cleared, and sewage overflows. I've been wondering why people are not able to get. So the point is, the miseries we see around us are not due to violence of the bad, silence of the good. The good, not only they are silent, but they are divided lot. They are divided in the name of caste, religion, language, even political party, political affiliations. I'm asking a simple question. We have upper caste, suppressed caste and all. Dustbin is same for everybody. You have different dustbins. I am asking you, please think about it. Drinking water comes. Drinking water, does it come for, let us say, one drinking water pipe for Hindus, another for Muslim, another for Christians, Buddhists? Same water pipe for everybody. All of us drink the same water, we survive. Okay. Number 3, electricity. All of us get electricity, same wire. Do you have separate wires for in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Oriyan? No. Lastly, sewer system. We have so many political parties. X party, Y party, XYZ party. Do you have separate sewer system for each political party? The sewage of all political politicians go the same sewer system. So from this you understand, we don't get basic needs. Throughout life we are fighting for a good road, good drinkable water, clean air. These are all basic needs. Why we are not able to get? I'll tell you something you will appreciate. Oh man, a stone may cause your fall. Oh man, you can move a mountain. Oh man, you may be washed away by a river. Oh man, you can change the course of the river. Oh man, a bad government may crush you. Oh man, you can change the government. The difference is man and men. We are never together. When I started Exnora, I found always Exnora breaks suddenly because of this difference of language, caste, religion and all. But even political parties, there's many strange bedmates there. They join together on common minimum program. I once asked my politician friend, they joined another party. There are 8 policies. There are 7 different. Only one policy is same. They joined. When politicians can become strange bedmates, what prevents the citizens to join together and talk in one voice? If you talk in one voice, I'll tell you one more quote. Organized minority is stronger than unorganized majority. Organized majority is human tsunami. Come on, join together. Don't have any difference. At least for the sake of getting your basic needs, there are 8 environment, clean environment, green environment. Built means within the house you need so many things like light, cook, gas and water, toilet. And built environment outside is road, bus stand, police station, school and all. Safety environment, livelihood environment, social environment, social and harmonious environment, mental cellular environment, climatic environment. All these 8 environment, you make it a point, make a checklist, this all 8 environments shared with you. If you get this all kinds of 8 environments, I'll tell you, no looking back. You will only have success. What prevents us you getting it? You are divided lot. Don't get divided. Maybe when the election comes, you get divided. But don't get divided. When it comes to your basic needs, don't get divided. So how to get united? So I told you, introduce my name, MB Nirmal. I'm not very old. I'm only 77. So I still have fondness for humanity. That's why I'm appealing to you. You immediately become an Exnora community star. Exnora community star. What is Exnora community star? You became a star in your community, that's all. Community means not caste or religion. The area where you live, residential colony. You become a community star. A number of people can become. You can join a Facebook called Exnora Community Star. Exnora Community Star is very important. The moment you join, all of you take a vow that come what may, we will never get divided until, we need to realize all our goals. We will postpone our infight fight caste, religion, language fights until we get all those things. Then we will fight. Take a vow and do that. Exnora Community Star is an important thing. Join. We promise you, your care air, cure air for pure air. You will get it. Water wiser. We give you 10 ideas how you will get clean water, drinkable water. Noise, nice noise, voice against noise. There will be noise pollution. Plastic, practic. Then mosquito. There won't be mosquito. Terrace, green grace. Your terrace will become an organic garden. Farm producing 10 days vegetables, vertical garden. We are going to share many things, and waste is really chased. Waste is not waste until it's wasted. It's not waste management, wealth management. You learn everything, and you learn how water can be perennially available to you. The first step towards this is becoming an Exnora Community Star. You can put EXN before your name, like Rotarians do RTN, Lions do LN, EXN. So Exnora is created because 99% of people don't come all these clubs, wonderful clubs. So only 1% join the international wonderful service like Rotary Alliance. 99% people don't come in the organizational structure. That's why EXN, and you call yourself a community star. But lastly, GPIN, you add GPIN. This GPIN, the slide will be shared. You can see what is GPIN. I tell you, if you become a community star, you put Exnoran and add GPIN, G caps, P caps, IIN. I'll tell you, nobody can stop. Suppose 100 GPINs go together, the government officials, elected will salute you. And whatever you ask for, they will accede to your request. What is GPIN? G stands for Mahatma Gandhi. There's no one born in this world like Gandhi, because Gandhiji called Satyagraha and Ahimsa. And the British had arms and ammunition. But he gathered people, he fought, he waged a non-violent struggle. That's very good, because a person who takes a knife will die out of knife. So violence, we should shy away. So G stands for Gandhi. Then what is Patel? P for Patel. What is Patel means? See, there are two people, two heroes. 90% credit given to Gandhi, but the 10% very important is Patel. When Gandhiji got freedom, there are 383 kingdoms, small kingdoms, and what you call Samasthanadhipati, Palayakarargal, they call Paligar. All these people were there. They all said, we are going to revive our kingdom, our Samasthanam and our Palayam. At the time, this Iron Man, Patel went and told those people to surrender to India and join India. So Patel made India one nation. Gandhi got freedom, but Patel made one nation. Gandhiji means kindness, and Gandhiji has a problem with you, he will harm himself. But Patel is Iron Man. So you combine both GPIN, Gandhi plus Patel. IIN means Indian. That means you belong to Gandhi and Patel. IIN. Or you can say like Maharashtrian, IIN, Tamilian. IIN means still you want some explanation. I tell you, I stands for India. A stands for Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Abdul Kalam. N stands for Netaji and Nehru. If you want, you can add them, but I want to, as an author of this idea, innovator of the idea, GPIN stands for Gandhi and Patel. So just imagine, there are 200 residents in your community, you are not getting road. That road also, one rain, it's washed away. Then what's the use of getting the road? The best road, it was laid by the British between Karikudu to Devakote in 1937, still there. But the road which laid by the contractor now doesn't stand one rain. What's the use of such road? So become one voice. So you put EXN before your name, Exnora Community Star, but take your approval and add GPIN, Gandhi, Patel. IIN means, I told you, you belong to Gandhi and Patel. That's all. And you became a formidable personality, and 200 people with the difference of your caste, language, religion and political affiliations, you all go together. Sir, we are all different. Even there are difference like which fan of which film star. People get divided. You go as one voice. Let there be 100 differences. People, we want water, we want a road, we want our garbage removed, we don't want mosquito. Do it, do your duty, we are paying tax. Ask them. Your voice will be heard. Join Facebook Exnora Community Star. You can join GPIN, Gandhi Patel IIN. That means you are both Gandhi and Patel. Exnora Community Star, you will become strong. Collectively, you are going to achieve. So 2020 Planet Pretty is a goal. We have been sharing a lot of ideas. This idea, please join today. Rest will be history. And you establish contact. Finally, I'm going to share you my contact details. I'm MB Nirmal, easy to remember. M stands for muck means garbage. Then you need broomstick, B for broomstick. Nirmal means cleanliness. Automatically, when you have garbage and broomstick get cleanliness, Nirmal. You thank my parents for naming me in 1943 as Nirmal from Tamil Nadu. The name is Nirmal. My full name is Nirmal Basu. So MB Nirmal is my name. At gmail.com. My mobile number is +91 98400 34900 +91 98400 34900. My email ID mbnirmal@gmail.com. mbnirmal@gmail. Any doubts you can contact me. Finally, the best thing is to follow me in Twitter at mbnirmal. One word, mother brother Nirmal, MB Nirmal lowercase. Please follow me. We are going to create history. We are going to leave a better world for children. Thank you for your patient listening. God bless you.